am also really excited about is the Russell market. I think the unloved child. I think a lot of people have been focusing on the big stocks, right? The big tech stocks out there. The Nasdaqs, Facebook, Google, all that sort of stuff out there. They've been really focusing on those levels and those sort of markets out there. It's been the AI stocks, right? It's been those sort of stocks. It's now been industrials as well too. So the Dow Jones is starting to pick up as well too. It's been a lot of stocks in the S&P 500, right? So we've been getting a lot of movement from that point through there, right? But the really big thing that I'm always looking for is I'm looking for the unloved child. I find the best markets are the markets that most people are not talking about to get involved with. And so therefore, Russell could be one of those. Now, when I say one of those, this is a monthly chart. And what we're looking at here is if I go to my scaling right now on this IWM, Russell could be getting ready for a really big move, right? This is on a logarithmic chart, on a monthly chart. And as you can see here, so what that means for you, for realistically, for me personally, is we're getting a nice move up from here, and you can see we're been squeezing up. And we've actually had a beautiful. If we bring up the Fibonacci retracement, look at that low to high. So that low to high, this came down to 50% Fibonacci, which is also this resistance back here. Hold. But we're starting to squeeze up through here, right? See how it's all squeezing up through there? So this is what's happening right now, right? We're squeezing up through here. So I would say if I bring it down now to the weekly charts from here and I squeeze it up, I would say that now look at this level here, over the next few months it's not going to set up tomorrow, but over the next few months I need to keep an eye for this, because if we go up through here and we start to get like a little bit of a pullback, like here, and then we start to get a bit of a breakout like that through there, that there could be the start of a really big move to come. And that there would be overall, if I go back to my monthly charts now, that could be a swing up from here, a swing down overall to a 50% Fibonacci, then a break up, and then we could quite possibly see another really big move to come out of that market from there. I've always had a $300 target for the IWM, and so that's definitely one market that I have been focusing on when it comes down to the IWM from there. Now, the other market that I've been really focusing on that I think has got some huge upside potential, and that is the XLE, the energy market. The energy sector right now for me looks like it's about to get some serious moves. And so if I let me bring up, I'm trying to find this one right here, right? So this is a monthly chart. And if I go to this chart here, now this is just an arithmetic chart, okay? This here is also a log chart, basically doing the exact same thing. Makes sense? So this is a log chart. This is an arithmetic chart. But what are you noticing from here? Firstly, it's like a bit of a bull flag, right? Move up, bull flag formation. Beautiful, right? All that through there. So if that's happening all through there, as you can see, nice move up and a sideways movement from here, then that to me right now spells, like looking at this level from here, that tells me that once again, 1, 2, 3 and a bit years of doing nothing, once we start to really break out, and as you can see, whenever we go sideways, whenever we do get a big breakout, we tend to have a really nice move to come. So looking at these big monthly charts, not right now, but these big monthly charts, and if I go down now to some of even my weekly charts from here, this is my weekly chart. If indeed we start to pick up from here and we start to get some nice, good trending movement from here, and we do start to see a nice move up from here, then a bit of a pullback, and then a bit of a breakout, all this here is like a big energy source. And it's been building a lot of energy, and the energy out of this market could start to really break out and start to see some serious upside movement. If it does break out, I am then potentially looking for a really big move to come out of this market.